Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Take a look at this gorgeous pre-owned 2024 Chevy Blazer RS all-wheel drive. This black on black beauty has only 42,000 kilometers on it, has the Convenience Plus package, and is a one owner, no accident history, certified pre-owned vehicle. And this is an OMS original, which means it was bought here, serviced here, and traded here. We are gonna take you on a tour of all the great features and the condition of this Blazer so you can get a great peek at it from the comfort of your home. And then please hurry here or reserve this Blazer online so you are not disappointed, because this is a one of a kind. Now, underneath the hood, the Blazer features a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It's connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. As I mentioned, this is also all-wheel drive, but that's not the head turner. The head turner is the fact that this is the RS model. There are not a lot of Blazer RSs out there, and this is really absolutely stunning. Now, you can see from the side profile, this is a great size 5-passenger SUV, big back doors if you've got kids with car seats. Getting in and out is gonna be nice and easy, and we have a very big trunk as well. But let's show you the exterior styling before we get into all of that. And I mean, have a look at these gorgeous 20-inch piano black alloy wheels. I love the fact that they have the black Chevy bow tie, Michelin tires wrapping them up too, which I mean, wow, just really great looking. Now, you've got the piano black Blazer logo in the door, LED turn signals in the side view mirrors, and the piano black roof rails up top. This RS package is very unique. You're gonna see what I mean when we come around to the back. Now, I mean, look at how cool these taillights are. I love the twist look to them. I think that's so cool. Integrated spoiler up top. Again, all the blacked out logos on the back, except for, of course, that RS badge. And then look at the bottom diffuser with the dual exhaust. That is so nice looking. It's the little differences that really set this Blazer apart from the others. Power tailgate, check out all the room we have in the back. You can see we've got the rubber floor mats as well as a cargo liner. Split folding rear seats in case you go to IKEA, get yourself a bookshelf, but there's tons of room back here for all the kids' sporting equipment, trips to Costco, and everything else. Now, coming around to the passenger side, this is a great time to tell you about that certified pre-owned program. So you're gonna get a 150-point inspection over and above the safety standards, checking things like the heated seats, the cooled seats, the sunroof. You have 3 months or 5,000 kilometers of limited comprehensive warranty. You have 3 months of satellite radio and 30 days or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege. Now, up front, have a look at the styling. Nice thin LED daytime running lights, LED headlights down below, and then the beautiful black front grille. And you might notice it does have the same twist design as the tail lights. And then of course, the RS badge up front. But I mean, what a fantastic style on the Blazer. Now let's go take a look on the insides, where it's honestly, it's equally as impressive. So opening up the doors, don't know what to tell you about first. We'll start up top. Nice big panoramic sunroof, lets lots of light in. You can see it comes all the way to the back seats. We have this dark navy interior. So I might have accidentally said black on black. I forgot it had the dark navy interior. I would prefer this by far. This is so unique. You can see the nice electric blue piping that's in the seats. Reclining rear seats, of course, a big center armrest that folds down, rear ventilation, USB ports, and a regular home outlet. No need to share charging cords back here. And then check it out, the floor liners as well, which is kind of bizarre. I mean, there's rubber floor mats and floor liners. So I don't know, overkill, but I'm okay with that. Rear heated seats as well. So your back passengers with USB ports, a plug and heated seats. I mean, super comfortable back there. Now up front, we have the same big panoramic sunroof. These seats are heated and air conditioned. We have a power driver's seat with power lumbar support, and that's hooked up to a 2-driver memory setting with the easy entry exit assist, plus a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. That, of course, is with the attached driver's memory system and your side view mirrors. Now, I'm going to forget to show you that this has the Bose stereo, so let's get that out of the way. There's the floor liners down below, and this is also a non-smoker vehicle. I feel it's important that we should tell you that as well. Okay, so inside here, have a look around. I mean, what a great interior. I love the fact that we have the blue aluminum around the vents, that nice silver trim down the dash. Really, really nicely laid out. Now, safety features on this include forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, blind spot collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, automatic headlights, rear cross traffic alert in our rear view camera system, and more. There's some really great safety features in this, of course. We've got a heated steering wheel, leather wrapped wheel, our controls for our center display, our cruise controls over here, and then have a look at the center display, 42,450 kilometers. Really great kilometers for this. Now, let's talk about our infotainment system. Now, as we mentioned, it is hooked up to the Bose stereo system. So this is a latest and greatest. Check this out. We've got XM satellite radio. I love when I do this. Look, you get kind of the little preview or album cover almost kind of style for the radio. We've got navigation, so you do have your built-in nav, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you don't have to connect anything, it'll automatically hook up for you. We have user profiles, so when you get in, you can make your own profile. Then when you hop back in, everything goes back to your setting, which is really nice. Wi-Fi hotspot, and that is brought to you by the OnStar package that you can purchase. Great subscription. I subscribe myself. I love it. Just being able to hook up all the kids in the car to the Wi-Fi, I mean, it's just a big time saver, so I love that. We've got our camera app, and you'll notice here we have a regular view, we have a trailer view, and then we have the hookup view, and that's going to make things really, really nice and easy. Even if you're just parking maybe in the garage and you want to back up to the, to the wall, you're not going to bump anything with this view too, so I love that. Moving down from that, we have our dual zone climate control, our heated and ventilated front seats, and then look at the cool style on these vents. Isn't that nice? USB ports, a wireless charging pad as well, and then of course our gear selector, and look at the little detail on here with the RS badge just below it. And then down here is our terrain select control, so 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel, or all-wheel drive, sport mode, traction trailer, all of our cool buttons there. And then I left the key fob in here to show you that we also have a remote starter on this, as you would expect in the power tailgate, so you can get the Blazer either cooled off or warmed up. But I'm happy to say nowadays we're going to need to cool it off. It's finally that time. Here's the vehicle file, OMS original. This is the build sheet, so you can go through and see all of the options on this. This is about 4 or 5 pages of them, which is fantastic. Now, with the purchase of this Blazer, you're going to get 4 free oil changes, just as a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us here at OMS. And then here is the Carfax. You can see 1 owner, low kilometers, no accidents reported, and there are 10 service records on file as well. And you can check that out on the Carfax when you come and take this out for a drive. But that's what you should be doing now. If I were you, I would reserve this on our website and then hurry here to OMS to get into the driver's seat. This is a rare Blazer RS in fantastic condition, and you really, really are not going to be disappointed picking this up. It is a fantastic ride for you and your family. So thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see who takes us home.